Shut up and don't be annoying, fucker ass. Oh, I woke up in a bathroom. Oh, you wasted the bullet. Vishnu.
Got every flashlight.
How the heck do you afford flashlight? How the heck do you afford
Oh no, my Robux.
How much was the flashlight? Yeah, was is
The
it time?
flashlight is 8
Bro,
Robux.
he's coming in. He's coming.
Break
Monster.
Break the door.
I'm hiding. Thank you. I'm your VIP, so sorry, never mind.
You're a
Yo, can you give me time? I'm gonna max my brightness. I can't see anything. I see just you. You're disappeared. Wait. Guard me like German Shepherds. Oh shit.
You're wasting time.
I'm not.
You're wasting time, Litu.
Bro.
Fucking you so much.
Bro. Stop being
Bro
weird.
is getting double fucked.
Bro, am I going back to the house?
Idiot!
Bro, I tried to play alone.
Oh, I can drop flashlights.
How
Dude,
the...
here is one.
I don't want flashlight. Bro, he's back. Don't see him. Do not see him. He disappeared. See?
Hey Anna, do you need a flashlight?
No,
How did you get another flashlight, huh?
that's what I'm saying. Bro afforded like all
I
of
paid
the
it.
flashlights. It is 43 Robux,
You
bro.
have two flashlights.
Okay, just don't say my please donate run.
One,
What can I...
Begging like fuck and I got all this.
bro. I already don't have bro. He's there. Oh my god. He's here. Guys, he's here. Wait. Don't see. He'll come to. Brother, we have to ammo. The fuck?
How will you kill him with the damn flashlight? Hey dude, here is a flashlight.
Hey, I found a fuse.
Hey, I found a flashlight. In the
In
house.
my hand. Bro, I can see fine.
Flashlight.
Bro, you're playing in laptop, no?
Here.
Yeah.
This shotgun
Where? You?
inside the house.
Where?
Inside the house.
The sky is kinda red for me.
Bro.
Vishnu, can you give me some...
Okay, I got the key as well. So
I have
let's
no
go
ammo.
back. Let's go back to that creepy house.
Vishnu, do you have some bullets on you?
No, I have no bullets on me.
Bro, I think one of us should have more ammo than other
Took
one.
the old barn key.
Yeah, I have it.
Oh. Let's go to the damn
That
place.
side.
What?
Dumbass, that side. Oh, that side we should go. The gate is that side.
Hey,
that
we
is-
need to get the car, man.
We need to go to the church now, eh? Then take the car. Then go to the gate.
Yeah.
Bro, I have the key. Don't panic.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Nothing is there.
Great. Thank you for the flashlight. Ah,
Okay,
shit.
fuck yourself. I'm not on it. Thank you for owning me.
Hey, there's some bullets here.
Bro, this man won't leave us alone. Hey Pratik, last time he came like 2 or 3 times, right? This time he's coming more than 2 times. Yeah.
Oh, I found a fuse up here.
Where?
Come up here.
Give
Go
me.
up.
Bro, I need the fuse. Okay? Bro. Yeah.
Is that? Yep, I'm not protecting you.
Yo, Amos gonna be in that home. Just search. Bro, gas can is in that home. Search it again.
I found a monitor. Anybody wants?
Almost stuck up light above that.
Above that what? Above that what?
Almost put the light as a fuse. Idiot! I'm not even in. I'm going inside the locker.
Bro, you put that freaking no, you put that fucking thing up your.
Yo, fuel.
How did that fit in your pocket?
Bro, fuel.
Fuel where?
We need fuel.
You should have people.
It should be here only.
Bro, in this.
Did you choose super hard mode again?
I swear if it is outside.
It is
Yeah,
outside.
I'm not playing.
Bro, there's a fuel
Oh,
outside.
there's a few.
Yo, this fuse is for the. Hey, remember that we got stuck in one place.
Oh,
where,
yep, I found the fuel.
Yo, he's here. He's here. Let's put a light.
Ended him, ended him. Don't worry about it.
Bro, we're outside. Who had ammo?
I had ammo.
You said you didn't.
I got it from that camp.
Yo, remember the last time we played this game? We got stuck in that some cable cart. No?
Yeah.
I have the fuse of it.
Great job. Really need to
We
give you
can.
an
I
applause.
think we can be. Bro, why is the car moving without handbrake?
You got the fuel.
Yeah. Do not start the car. I'll keep it. Yo, do not start the car. Don't,
Hey, Vishnu.
don't
Hey.
spam the light. Bro,
Can I talk with you?
how the heck am I friend?
Come back.
Can you give me,
Secret.
bro? Bro, the hood is open.
Bro, be scared. Stay
Bro,
like a donkey.
Take the.
Okay, wait. I'll come from that.
You know what? Anyway, I'll say the route. You'll be back. It's way back. Close the door at least. Close the door.
Door! Idiots! Anybody have the key?
Yes. I didn't pick up.
Who forgot the key? I will punch their face.
Yo,
I have the key.
Pratik, you have the key now. Go outside.
Who has the damn key? Me, of course.
Not driving today, boys. Yo, it's a guy. No man leave. What the heck?
No man leave. No man left behind. Dumb.
What am I supposed to say? I'm so. Wait. Hey, Pratik. We never went here. This.
I need to
You
get
know what?
some ammo
Vishnu,
quickly.
please. Vishnu, please. Shotgun, I must do it. Vishnu, please.
I found a 6-7% can of fuel.
Bro. Oh, he's here. Wait, blast him. Someone.
I have ammo. I found
He's
it.
moving.
I shot him. Hey, Pratik, let's go for an ammo hunt. Come.
Bro, that's a petrol cap.
Pratik, where is ammo, man?
No. Bro, drop it. Press backspace. Or press back key. Yeah. Give me that. Give me. Bro. That is a.
Vishnu, please. No shotgun.
Bro.
Vishnu, please.
How many.
Oh! I found one. I found one ammo. Pratik. Here.
Bro, just press one if you want to shoot once. I'll be angry if the car fuel got drained.
6-7% fuel one place.
Guess what?
Oh, 5% fuel one I found again.
Guess what happened?
Bro,
Bro.
fuel here.
Bro, I was trying to. You just open the cap of the car. Did anybody go to the basement?
Are you people leaving me or something?
What? No.
I'm still up here.
Idiot, you haven't even picked up the. Okay. You haven't.
Oh, I have another fuel can. Keep fucking the fuel.
I thought you were fucking the.
Okay, can I fill again?
Bro, how many cans do you guys bring?
I had to.
Then was the third can.
Okay, now put the cap on.
What do you mean put the cap on?
Keep the cap.
Bruh. That's it. I'm sitting back. Someone.
Sit back.
I removed the cap.
You.
Women, sit back.
Bruh. Then where am I supposed to sit, in your ass?
On top of the car.
Bruh. Bro. Just drive, man. Before he comes after us. Bro, one of us should have more ammo.
I do.
Your automatic graphics would give more view than I expect.
Bro, you don't know nothing, bro.
Bro, just drive. Just drive.
Can't over him.
Can drive. Oh, never mind. Last time I
Damage the car.
drove into him, came into the pool.
Came into your boot and stuck up something up your booty.
Editor, show the clip.
See that? So fucked. Oh, this one?
Yep. Hey.
Oh, no, you're gonna get pistol.
Oi. Remember last time you found a pistol, bro, Pratik?
Why is the door open? Who's in here?
Bro, the door is already open. Oh my god. He just. Bro just gave up. Bro, I found ammo.
Where?
Yeah. And that's what.
Oh shit.
Shouldn't have it.
You what amore? Stop
Bro,
lying.
who dropped a flashlight?
Oh Pratik! I found some ammo. Again?
Take ammo. Bro, the monster likes Jishnu so much it's crawling upon him. Hey, I found a password for a axe.
Actually, bring it.
3242.
Did you have the
Bro, no. One of you need to have the axe. Last time I had an axe, I think.
Oh, gun and pistol, Anna.
Bro, how do I crouch? Pick up? Oh yeah, I have. Guys, someone need to pick up the password.
I will. Oh no, my inventory is not full. Found another one. Fuel.
Bro, this feels like Call of Duty. Yo, the axe.
You took the damn ammo?
Bro, let me see.
I have nothing.
Bro, remember the
I have
axe
zero. I've been finding.
into the tower house where I was AFK.
Dude, throw it down, dude. I have zero.
Pratik,
I don't.
he's here.
He blew up our car.
Where is he?
Behind. Dude, he blew up our car.
Repair kit.
You fucking motherfucker. Who told that idiot to blow up?
Bro, remember the house which is remember the tower house? Yeah. Bro, someone need to. Yo, it's back.
What is this update?
Bro, he's coming more times now. Hey, okay, I'm quitting. We need to.
No,
save
fix it more. We have time. I have fuel can.
Not the fuel can. We need to save the repair kit. Is the fuel looking healthy?
I don't. Yeah. Oh no, it's almost empty. We can't do that.
Bro. The fuel is in that abandoned. You had the cannon.
Don't
This
try
is
to
it.
pop it. God.
Bro, what will happen if I shoot a bullet inside a gas can?
Please don't you fucking dare.
Hey, no. Hey, let's try it when we die.
Don't be a fucking fool. Why shoot him? Someone! Thank you.
Guys, bad news. I have no ammo.
Great. Come on, get in.
Save the 2 ammo to kill that guy.
Dumbass.
You're a dumbass.
We all been there. So why does it feel like we're in the same house again?
Yeah,
Bro, it's coming more times, bro. Is this a new update or
it's beyond 3 a.m.
did I put harder?
How you get on bitch?
Bro, I don't know. I'm new to this game. I never went alone.
Who told you to bring us late? Now there's an update which is so good.
I don't know.
Big ass update which is scaring my ass off. What the hell?
Bro.
Turn that off.
Bro, he's friend of us, I think. Is he eyes?
Those are not eyes, those are reflectors. Hey, this way?
Yep. That's the tower. That's the tower. Bro, someone need to shoot him.
Don't worry about it.
That's the cable car. This is the tower, I think.
Yup, this is the tower.
Yo, I think when the cable cut comes, I think that's the end of the. I mean, what do you? The driving.
You need to walk from there? Hell no. Hey, does anybody have axe key?
Nobody
I
picked up.
have axe.
Bro, did anybody picked up the what do you call the code?
Oh, 95% fuel one.
Yo, anybody has ammo for emergency? Because he's gonna run up. He's gonna come up.
Flashlight. Take this flashlight.
I have a flash.
I don't want.
Shotgun ammo. I have. Here.
Hey, someone take shotgun ammo.
I will take.
And we take.
Or he knows. He wants.
Bro, should I like? Okay, I'm saving the fuse. I'm gonna drop the flashlight because.
Done. What is the code? I'll stay outside.
Macha, I'll do that code. I'll do the code. I'll do the code. You say the password. You say the password. Say the password.
Please don't tell me he exploded our car.
Bro, say the code. I will do it for you. 3, 2, 4,
3242. Open it.
That's it.
Let me do it. Let me do it.
Are you okay? Hello? That's a
Hey, that's not how you do it. Give me.
3, 2.
Wait, it should be done like this.
3, 2, 4, 2. Wait. 4, 3, 4, 3.
Oh, 3 to 4, 3. Sorry, not 3 to 4.
You dumbass.
Oh, we got to do it like.
Bro, sorry, bro. Everybody makes mistakes.
Hey, 2, 3,
Bro, what's that letter written over there?
3, 2, 4, 3. You done.
Yep. Who has the axe?
I have the axe.
Who has the axe? Wait, bro, there's a map over here.
Please, bro, please.
Dude, the axe is ass.
Yo, it's raining, bro. This sucks.
Why you want the axe so much? Take it.
Bro,
Flashlight. Anybody have?
yeah, I have. Bro, flashlight me. I'm gonna fill the car up.
Fill her up.
Fill him up.
Who exploded the engine again? Look here.
That guy, that's it. He's here. Guard, he's here. The guy is here. And this is the side. Oh,
Is it more?
stop coming into my way. Someone is dancing near the wood. Okay, that's it. close the hood.
You're gonna fuel it.
Bro, wait, let me fuel the car.
Pratik, hold up that damn flashlight, please.
Bro, where did we die last time? Where did we die last time?
We died in near that what they say.
Okay,
Yeah, we
the
died
car
here.
is filled up, so let's go to that cable car thing. I have the fuel.
Mission is prepared.
Bro, we came to this place faster than we thought.
Yeah, actually, you're right.
Just 20 minutes into
Yo,
the
yo,
video.
yo, going left. Yeah, go right. Bro, you're going back.
That's what. Let me take a U-turn somewhere here. Maybe I'm right.
Bro, you're gonna waste the fuel. Dumbass.
So I should always listen to you.
Bro, what did we say? What did we say? We said go straight, right?
Yeah.
Simply I listen to you. Wasting my fuel.
Oh, I'm the one.
Yeah, I'm going. I can't deal with
Don't full send the car. I don't want to die. Someone need to pop his ass.
the copy's ass. Off the engine, someone.
Bro, you off the engine. The car is smoking again. Don't, hey! Kill it. Kill him! Okay, give me some few seconds. I'm gonna repair the car. It's annoying me. Annoying shit.
Maybe we'll go to the cable car.
Anyway, wait. Is there any fuse thing?
Missing large gear.
Bro, where do you find that? Any fuse over here? The fuse is... Yo, we didn't go to that one place, the abandoned building. How did you on it? How did you on it?
It's missing a gear.
Where do you find it? Maybe in here?
I think I found it
Where?
in my dreams.
Stop lying, bro. We need the fuse so bad. So we need the thing so bad. Are we missing something in that house?
Just can't be. I'll just check where. I'll check in your.
Bro, I don't have gun. What am I, bro? There's probably something over there.
Nothing.
Yo, there's not. This game is. I don't know. Should we take that action?
I'm searching it.
Gosh.
He's here.
Can you find that asshole?
I swear if I want to wait, can I fix it with this?
Hey, don't go anywhere. Bald head, shining. If you go, you'll die.
Wait.
I'm abandoning that gun.
Bro! He's here. He's on our left. He's on our left.
Don't look at him. Don't look at him.
You said you searched it up. Yeah, bro, just
Okay,
type.
come here. We could go.
Hey, let's go to the tower house and let's search it. Let's search it little bit more. Oh, we finally are together.
Kiss each other, please.
I think look back there, look at the dicky, how big it is. How big it is.
You said dicker. What's a dicky?
Bro, we can fit probably 2 people here. That's what I am saying.
I swear, if that motherfucker destroys the engine, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Let us search it again, bro. This time, someone need to be down. If he comes, you know what? Never. Nobody's left.
You cannot leave men behind.
Are you sure? I don't know what's happening. Pratik, come, let's go.
Yup, I'm already up here. Who is this JB13, man? I don't know.
Do not panic. Do not panic, man. I swear. I'm here, bro. We are here again where we... Is anything interactable here?
Nope, nothing is.
Yeah, no.
Oh my god. Are we like dumb?
Yeah.
Do we know? Bro, search it and this time skip it, alright?
Skip it until they say the house name. We missed a fuel can.
Bro, hey, grab that, we might need
My
it.
backpack is full with flashlights. I cannot waste any.
No time there. There's like gas cylinders. Oh my god, you just crashed.
Hey dude, we
Yo.
cannot spend here much longer.
Come over here. Look at the hello?
Something is happening.
Hello? Come near the stairs and look left side. It's so creepy. It's so creepy.
Fine.
Wi-Fi is good.
For me, people are lagging.
Bro, we are so dumb. I don't know what to do. He's here. He's here again.
Skip him. Just run. Don't even think about him.
Where are you?
Did they destroy the car? Of course they did.
Of course he did. Hey.
Is your repair kit okay?
So the repair kit looks okay, but
I think there's unlimited repair thing. Hey, Pratik, don't go anywhere. You have bullets, Pratik.
bro, is anything near the church we're missing?
Yeah. Let's go back to the place, the barn,
Hey bro,
where we
anything
found the engine.
is missing near the church, Pratik? I think.
We should check it, okay?
Just search how to get after 3 a.m. and just go till the end where he goes near the cable car.
Okay, I'll be sitting in the passenger seat. I'll be sitting in the car.
Okay, we're just gonna throw how many ammo here?
I don't have enough, man.
It was 4 ammo with good.
Fuck, this flashlight is over.
Don't worry, I have flashlight. It is full in charge.
Fuck this.
Yeah, don't worry. I just saw him at the woods and he's not. Yo, before we travel, I'm gonna fill the car with the gas.
Kerosene.
So kerosene need to turn into a jet.
Kerosene, yeah. Kerosene. Oh, dear.
Bro, fuck the ads and just see the video.
Yeah, go say to YouTube, fuck the ads.
Seconds is that?
Wait, did I just see him up there? Papa, he went up there.
Bro? Oh my god.
Move.
What do you mean move?
We are moving.
Wait, don't forget me. How is the door almost broken?
He attacked us, don't remember? In my dreams, he attacked me.
Skip back and check what kind of house. Check again.
This time I should go left, right?
Yeah. Yo. Go back. It's the same place. Is it like that B vent.
I need to go down and use it.
It,
I think you're going the correct way.
no, we're going the wrong way, bro. We will dash a fucking big ass rock. U-turn, just U-turn.
That's what I came down to use it.
Bro,
Let's wait. Let's see.
do not dash him as well. Come quickly.
Dash some figure.
That guy is in front of us.
Okay. Tell me now.
Move your eyes.
Who bought a casket?
What do you mean who bought a casket? I have nothing.
What?
Bro, move the car. Move the car, it's gonna come. I swear if this car is...
Tell us.
Bro, go back. Where did you see the gate? Does it look like the cable car entrance?
See, I told you I was going the correct route.
Wait,
This guy diverted me.
okay, just...
No, this idiot keeps popping up.
Okay, so Bob is Bald's son, really.
No, I can't waste ammo on some useless driver piece of shit. That guy.
Okay.
Straight.
Okay. By walking?
Nothing is a go straight. Go right.
I see one branch. Okay. Branch. Yo, why am I lagging?
Hey. Hey. This guy keeps looking at me.
From the first time I see you guys making.
Oh yeah, we missed this place now.
Oh, this one.
Should I get out?
Yo, is this the by? Okay, never mind. Last I came here at the first. I don't know what to do.
Yeah. Break it.
Yes, you can
And you forgot about it. Editor, just keep the clip. See this, guys.
Why did you shoot it, bro? Oh my god!
What did you?
Look at the gasket. What? Oh my god!
What? 55%.
Are you gonna fall through this? Pratik, we got 2 gaskets. Yo, I'm dropping my flashlight. Anybody want? Okay, who has more? Who has more charge?
Yeah, I have more charge.
Anybody has one inventory left because I have useful things.
Yeah. I will use it.
Behind you!
Yeah, now give me that flashlight.
Oh, we need this can. Okay, break it. We found the gear. Come.
Great,
Yo,
great.
ammo is here.
Hey, give Pratik ammo.
Pistol, bro, pistol ammo is here. I dropped the pistol da. Yeah, there's some kind of flux. Bro, anybody has more ammo because he's gonna pop up again.
I'm taking
Is that
it.
it? Is that it? Is that it? We should go back. Wait, should I fill the car? Is the gas looking empty?
No, not healthy.
Can we make it at least?
No, we cannot make it.
Okay, I'm
It's
gonna
so low.
fill to half liter.
Shot him. Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna do half liter. We might need the gas for the cable car to fix. We don't know.
Hey, don't even fill it. It's enough, I think.
Yo,
Yeah. It's good.
the car. How am I getting so slow?
Come on. You're wasting time.
Fuse. Okay, go back.
You need 4 fuses.
What?
For my dreams to get true.
Oh yeah. I came here, bro. I was so stupid. I sent you. Yeah. No, I didn't find the cave. I just came there. I thought, what was this? And I went.
Good boy.
I was actually filming that time. If I send you that video, you'll be so pissed.
This guy is so dumb, Ray. He's so tough. I got to say. He's like that.
Jishnu was about to go in the same direction. My stupid ass said it to not.
Because he thought it was dangerous. While that guy was not doing anything but kissing that monster.
Yo, what are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do after we get it?
Like,
Are we beating the game? Maybe that's what I'm feeling like. There's nothing else after that thing. Yeah, it is kind of new. Oh, we spent this game in 51 minutes, right?
no, you 37 minutes.
2 minutes, 51 seconds. Yeah. Bro, he's coming. He's asking.
Fuck.
Okay, who has the big gear? Move your ass.
Put it in there.
Hold
Start.
the place. And she's moving. Bro, this is the end of the game. It's escape.
We missed the game.
Yo. Wait.
You started the old cable cut. It began to move.
Start the old car, it began to move.
Slowly but surely. Don't tell me this is not the end.
Bro, I think there's a part 2 of this. Or this one.
I guess like this.
The cable car stops.
Oh fuck. Of course it stops.
You have escaped.
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Why am I not happy when we are escaped? Thank you for playing.
Bro, no, I wanted to play this for hours.
Created and directed by Ethan the Ground 14.
Oh, I will get assisted by him. Browsing.
Impresso.
Imposing Loco. Bro, are we the first person to beat or did anybody beat before us?
So many people bet before us.
Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
Yep,
Peace
I
out.
left the game.